Ron speaking from the Kokoro offices. After so many evening events around the topic of leading in uncertainty, we've been asked to do an afternoon event. So on the 29th of June, between 2:30 p.m. and 4 p.m, we are going to hold our first webinar. The webinar is about how do you drive collective unity with employee experience. Now, this is a term I think most of us have heard about. What we will do in this session in 90 minutes is share everything we know and see how we can bring you value and you can also put into action in your organization. One of the things that has really got us over the last 2 years of research is what does the human experience, that is the employee experience, look like if it is to help create collective unity. That's it. I think the best thing is for you to come and join us, click and register, join us in this session and see how collectively we can make this work for all the organizations around the world. See you there. Take care.